Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a cactus embed soap. Here are the shavings from another soap and, just oatmeal milk and honey, and it kind of looks like maybe like a dirt or rocks. And here's the cactus embed that I made out of soap dough, just kind of rolled some tubes, and it's supposed to look like the ones with the prickly pear fruit on the top, the little pink parts. So I'm just going to put it on top of the soap shavings like maybe like it's sitting in gravel or something like that. That's my anticipated result. Today I'm going to use the heat transfer method. I'm not melting my oils beforehand. It just seems like an extra step that I can avoid. So I'm all for soaping lazy. So as you can see, the lye is super hot and it's melting the oil as it makes contact. You can kind of see the puddle of oil starting to accumulate in the bucket. And then what I'm going to do is just slowly mix that lye and oil together until all the coconut oil melts. And here it is. I'm just emulsifying and reaching a very light trace because I do want to put my embed in. And here I'm just adding some titanium dioxide to whiten the mixture. It's used in candy, soap making, toothpaste, lots of stuff. And because my soap mixture is getting a little bit warm and also thick, I'm trying to mix in the titanium dioxide by hand before stick blending it just a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna carefully try to cover this whole thing in soap, but as you see, we do get a few floaters here, and also my main little cactus embed does start to float, so I wind up actually having to stick my hands in gloves down in there to kind of situate it. Here's the top. I just used some extruded leftover soap dough, get a 90s feel, and here I've gone ahead and cut the pieces. I kind of cheated. And here's the embed. It does look really cute. I think you can tell what it is. You can see what I'm kind of going after. Next time I will be more sure that it is positioned more upright, that embed. It does look a little bit kind of rocked to the side, but overall it is so cute. I love it. I have kind of an obsession with palm trees and cactuses. I don't know why. But I do like the 90s retro colors, super vibrant, real fun. And also, because it's all coconut oil soap, it'll lather really, really good too. I'm really excited to use it. In the future though, I think that if I was doing this again, I would use my soap shavings in the bottom and kind of smush them a little bit harder together so that they're not some floaties kind of coming up as I'm pouring the regular soap in. I did save one last cut to do on camera, and I'll let y'all watch that. One more thing before we get to the cut is that if I had to do that top again with the little soap dough embeds, I let them get hard for like a week before I actually laid them into the top of the soap. If I had to do it again or advise somebody, I would say let them sit out for maybe a day and then use them as the embeds on top. That way they're still soft and pliable when you cut them. Look at how stinking cute those are. I just love those cactuses, or the cactus and the way it turned out. It's just given me a lot more ideas. Thank you so, so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe, and please comment down below if you like this style recorded video. It's a little bit changed from what I normally do, but all right. Thanks again for watching.